Hello everyone, today I want to show you on how you're going to place your NFTs on sale, the NFT that you have minted or the ones that you just bought on the secondary market. So the first step that you have to make sure is that you have the NAMI wallet extension where you have the NFTs. You have to make sure that you have this extension. If you don't have it, please watch my other video on how I've showed there on how to link your NAMI wallet. So what you're going to do next is for you to come to the sell. So what you're going to do right here, for you to come to inventory. So as you can see my profile, I have one wallet, I have one listing, I have listed one. So you'll come at the inventory. When you come at the inventory, you can see I have this NFT and full of tiny pebbles, which I have it and I want to place it on sell. So what I'm going to do, as you can see on the listings, I've listed it at 30 Cardano, so I'm going to cancel it. The listing has been cancelled successfully. So what I'm going to do is come at the inventory. Then I'm going to click at the NFT that I want to sell. Ensure that this NFT has the Chrome extension where you received your NFT. So as it is a Chrome extension, once it's at NAMI wallet, that means also reflect at cnft.io. So you're going to click at it. As you can see, you have all the information about the NFT and full of tiny pebbles, asset, ID, quantity. We have one of 967. Average floor price is 800 Cardano with the policy ID. I minted it on December 31st, 2021. It was on Friday. So I'm going to place it on sell. So I'll click sell. Once here, I'm going to have this site right here. So do I want to list it at a smart contract or a fixed or a timed? So it will depend on the kind of NFT that you have. As you can see, these ones are disabled. So I can only sell it as a smart contract. So marketplace is 2.1% fee. So you're going to be charged that kind of fee. The average floor price. This means I'm not going to list this Cardano, this NFT on sale at any lower price than 8 Cardano. So when I'm selling it, I'm going to sell it higher than 8 Cardano. So I'm going to place my sell price. Let me place at 40 Cardano. At 40 Cardano. I'm going to sell it at 40 Cardano. Then once I've done that, what I'm going to do next is click sell. So here are some of the instruction. Into SAP works using Cardano smart contract. As you can see, all of them. The seller will have to initiate or sign the transaction using a supported wallet. Please make sure the collateral is set in your wallet. Once signed, this asset will be stored in a secure contract address until the sale is executed and cancelled. There is a small network fee involved in listing the asset using instant swap. All successful sales are instant and will be full and final. So what we're going to do next is continue. So I'm going to choose the wallet that I will use. So choose a wallet, please choose a wallet to proceed. I'm going to choose NAMI wallet because I have it here as my Chrome extension. I'm going to choose NAMI wallet, then continue. Listing details, creating a transaction. So the collateral must be set in wallet. So I'll have to enter my password. Close it. So that is how you're going to go about listing your NFT at the market. So that's all that you're going to do. Please make sure that once you're selling, you have the Nami Wallet Chrome extension as I showed you earlier. Please make sure. So as you can see right here, we have all these are NFTs on sale. Of Pavia, all them good, different price. So that is all how to go about the NFTs. So please, if you have a question, leave it in the comment section and I'll deal with it. Thank you.